Okay guys, it's time for me to clean up my silver jewelry. So I do love silver, but the problem is they tarnish. So I have some Tiffany's here. Tiffany Sergio Denimes from Europe. I have a Pandora and of course an Hermes. And all we need is just this silver dip and a string. In this case, I'm using a plastic string to hook all of these and for me to safely dip it in and leave it inside for a couple of minutes, and it'll make it easier for me to just pull them out and let it dry before I rinse it off and finish it with some silver polish that I also got from Unisilver. So this is not a sponsored post, but Unisilver, if you're seeing this, why not sponsor me? Thank you. Okay, so we will start with these smaller ones, and I guess these are the ones in the worst condition. Like it's really dark and tarnished to the max. There you go. Is it soaked in? I think I need one more. Oh, it's working already. Wow. And I can smell it. It smells like rotten eggs. But it's kind of satisfying because there you go. You can see the difference already. By the way, this is very harmful chemicals, so please make sure to keep this out of reach of children, pets, and anybody who doesn't know that this is toxic. So let everybody know this is toxic and harmful to the skin. That's why I'm very being careful. But we will finish this off with the cloth, and look at that. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. This is amazing. Now time for the more expensive ones. Yeah, let's cut to it. And this is what it looks like now. It's like I brought it at Tiffany's. I think Tiffany's uses the same chemical because the last time I brought this there, I kind of smelled the smell that this is giving off. Now, this is the first time I'm using it on my Hermes. I'm not sure because what's good about the Hermes silver, I don't know what compound they used for this, but it doesn't tarnish the way Tiffany silver tarnishes. So I'm not sure if it's wise to use this. Plus, it's so thick that I don't think it can fit, all of it can fit in this small bottle, small jar all at one time. But oops, stupid. I have to, yeah, I need two hands. One second. And it is in there. So yeah, let's make sure it's all soaked in, and I will cut again. See you in a few. Okay, first time for the Hermes, and wow, amazing. amazing. You know what? It's strange. I put in the Hermes. Now it kind of smells like pineapple. Wow. Is it because of the brand? Is it dependent on the brand? It smells so nice. And what I did is I went to the sink. I used filtered water and saturated or diluted dishwashing liquid, not detergent, dishwashing liquid to wash these off, to rinse all the chemicals off. And now we're just, patting it dry on these paper towels. I'll just speed up the process and cut to when we finish. Okay, so we were able to dry everything up, and as it is, you can see that you can just finish it off from here. You can already wear the jewelry. Remember how black this was? And yeah, the last step actually is just, optional. But if you want that extra oomph to your silver jewelry, then do this last step. We will use this polishing cloth. If you have rubber gloves, that's better because these have chemicals. But if you don't, then use your hands, but make sure to wash your hands and moisturize after. And also, I'd like to compare. This is white gold. Silver will always have that yellowish tinge to its color, while the white gold will always have that darker and cooler undertone. So this is warmer. This has a cooler undertone because of the rhodium, the other metals that they combine this with. So, yep. Let's move to the next step. So this is the cloth. I already unpacked it. It's called the silver polishing cloth anti-tarnish. First I'm gonna be using this, so let's use it with my Hermes. This is the easiest one because it's the biggest one. I don't know if it has an effect. Let's try it on this one side. Does it look different from the other side? I can't really tell. But yeah, I'm gonna use it on all of them. Let's see. So I'm done polishing it, or like wiping it with this silver anti-tarnish cloth, and yeah, this is how it looks like now. So far from the way it looked before, so much better. Now I can use them again or store them properly. Avoid oxidation. Yeah, especially this one. This was like all black. So there you go. You don't have to bring it to a jeweler. Just buy the Unisilver thing, and it's very cheap. And Unisilver, if you're watching this, sponsor me. Thank you.